Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your tax documents on Cash App. Okay, so here I am logged onto Cash App. At the top right, you'll see a person icon. So let's click on that. Okay, from here, you'll see a bunch of different options. You're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you see the section that says Documents. So we're going to click on Documents. Now, right here, you'll see two different categories. So you'll need your tax documents if you sold any stocks. Obviously, you'll click on stocks. If you sold any Bitcoin or anything via Cash App, then you're going to have documents there. For example, let me just show you guys. So if I click on stocks right now, and you'll see two options here, tax documents or monthly statements. I'm going to click on tax documents. So I didn't trade any stocks using Cash App, so that's why there aren't any documents here. So I'm going to go back once again. Now I did sell some Bitcoin on Cash App, so I'm going to click on Bitcoin so I could find my tax documents. And right here, you can see that you could download your tax documents via CSV file, or you have your 1099-B right here. So let's just say I wanted to download it. I'm just going to click on it and it'll give me the option to open this document in my browser or to send it via email. So it'll probably be easier just to send this document to yourself via email or send it to your accountant. So this is how, in a nutshell, how you find your tax documents on the Cash App. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.